Join me as I dive deep into the world of AI agents and challenge myself to figure out just what they're really doing with crypto. In recent years, the term AI agents has become increasingly synonymous with the cryptocurrency market. But what exactly are AI agents, and why are they becoming so crucial to the world of crypto trading? I'm sure many of you can relate to the frustration of traditional trading. You've got your eyes glued to the screens, constantly monitoring the markets, trying to stay one step ahead of the game. But the reality is, humans are limited. We can only process so much information at a time, and we're prone to making emotional decisions that can ultimately lead to financial losses. That's where AI agents come in. Designed to alleviate these issues, they're capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time, executing trades with precision and speed. Traditional traders often find themselves stuck in a never-ending cycle of research, analysis, and execution. It's a time-consuming process that can be mentally exhausting, not to mention the risks involved. AI agents, on the other hand, are programmed to identify profitable trades, eliminating the emotional aspect of investing. They can operate 24/7, reacting to market fluctuations in a split second, allowing them to capitalize on opportunities that might otherwise be missed. In addition, AI agents are not bound by the same limitations as human traders. They can analyze an enormous amount of historical data, recognizing patterns that might be invisible to the human eye. This enables them to make more informed decisions, reducing the risk of impulsive trades. Furthermore, AI agents can be easily scaled up or down, depending on the trader's goals and risk tolerance. The beauty of AI agents lies in their ability to adapt to changing market conditions. They can be reprogrammed and updated to incorporate new strategies, ensuring that they remain effective even in the most turbulent of markets. So, how do AI agents actually work? At their core, they're sophisticated algorithms that tap into real-time market data, using this information to make predictions about future price movements. By analyzing charts, trends, and other market indicators, AI agents can identify high-probability trades, executing them with precision and speed. One of the most significant benefits of AI agents is their ability to backtest trading strategies. This involves using historical data to simulate trades, allowing the agent to refine its approach and eliminate any potential flaws. The result is a trading strategy that's optimized for maximum returns, while minimizing risk. Another significant advantage of AI agents is their ability to diversify a trader's portfolio. By identifying profitable trades across multiple assets, they can spread risk, increasing the potential for returns. This diversification also allows traders to capitalize on emerging trends, getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. There's a fantastic case study that I want to share with you. It's about an AI agent that was designed to navigate the notoriously volatile cryptocurrency market. This agent was programmed to identify patterns in the Bitcoin market, using this information to make predictions about future price movements. What's remarkable is that it was able to capitalize on the 2020 bull run, generating returns in excess of 500%. This is a testament to the power of AI agents in crypto trading. I'd like to highlight another example, this time involving an AI agent that was designed to trade Ethereum. This agent was programmed to identify arbitrage opportunities, using its speed and agility to capitalize on price discrepancies across different exchanges. The results were staggering, with the agent generating returns in excess of 200% within a matter of weeks. One of the most compelling aspects of AI agents is their ability to adapt to changing market conditions. During the 2020 flash crash, many traders were caught off guard, watching in horror as their investments plummeted in value. However, AI agents that were programmed to respond to sudden market shifts were able to capitalize on the volatility, generating returns where traditional traders would have suffered significant losses. In conclusion, AI agents are revolutionizing the world of crypto trading. By automating the trading process, they're able to eliminate emotional decisions, reduce risk, and increase returns. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, AI agents are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you had any experiences with AI agents in crypto? What were your results? Let me know. And don't forget to check out my next video on crypto trading strategies.